The Aeronautical Development Agency has released a tender for the design, development and supply of functional prototype unit of HOTAS for Tejas Mk2 fighter jet by Indian companies. The pilot will be able to perform as many actions as possible with the hands on throttle and stick, without having to move his hands off the control stick or the thrust lever. The tender calls for design and development of HOTAS, and 3 units of test rig for Tejas Mk2, design and development of side stick grip, throttle grip with necessary accessories, common test rig for side stick grip and throttle grip for Tejas Mk2. India has made a formal request to the United States, seeking the inclusion of Lockheed Martin's Joint Air-to-Ground Missile Medium Range on its fleet of 31 MQ-9B drones, that will also be equipped on 22 Apache helicopters of the Indian Air Force. It is currently in the developmental phase, and has been already tested for a range of 16 kilometers with improved target tracking, which is double the range of the JAGM-114 Hellfire missiles, thus providing extended standoff range while operating in contested areas to enhance survivability. The Ministry of Defence has said that the price and other terms and conditions of the 31 MQ-9B procurement are yet to be finalized, and several social media handles have reported false price, with the ulterior motive to derail the acquisition process. India will kick off the acquisition process from US in early July, and a letter of request will be sent to US government, after which the US will issue letter of acceptance, followed by contract signing in the coming months. A senior Defence Ministry official has said that contrary to previous reports suggesting an 8% local content, India is now aiming to achieve 20% local content in the manufacturing of MQ-9B drones, for which the Indian government has put in place various measures. The MQ-9B can provide roughly 80% of the capability of a large human-flown maritime patrol aircraft at only 20% of its cost per hour. In order to reduce dependency on British firm Cobham, the Aeronautical Development Agency had recently issued a request for information for the development of an indigenous air-to-air refueling probe, and latest reports indicate that this move has garnered interest from 2 Indian private sector firms. The Tejas Mk2 will be equipped with a retractable air-to-air refueling system that will utilize a telescopic probe and drogue system, that will also be equipped on the AMCA and TED-BF fighter jets. Executive Vice President of Defense Division Safran Electronics and Defense has said that the company will be quadrupling its employees in India, as it aims to partner in the development of high-thrust engines for the AMCA, which will put India in a select group of countries with super cruise and stealth aircraft capabilities. Safran Group is already setting up a production facility in Hyderabad to produce parts and components for aircraft engines with an investment of €36 million. Safran is also into a big-ticket joint venture with Hindustan Aeronautics to produce engines for helicopters. The first Kalvari-class submarine will get the Indigenous fuel cell-based air-independent propulsion system during its first refit in mid-2024, for which the DRDO has awarded a contract to Larsen & Toubro for the manufacturing of 2 fuel cell-based air-independent propulsion system modules that will double the submarine's endurance. The Navy has already issued a request for proposal for the development of 500 kWh lithium ion battery system for submarines, which will replace the existing lead-acid batteries in the 6 Kalvari submarines from 2024 onwards, that will significantly improve the performance and efficiency.